Rio is a really interesting situation. I mean, a lot of the stickers are just rising in price week after week, hitting insane price points for still being in the sale. Rio has been in the game for quite a while now. It did release back in October 20th, so we could potentially see it get removed from the game any day now. While we have a lot of these stickers on the market with extremely low supply and also at some inflated price points. You check out the Rio capsules, they are sitting around the in-game price, but it does appear like there's not really that many people who are willing to actually go ahead and open them. So although it might seem like a hype like this would die down in a few weeks, seeing as these stickers are available in the game, Rio stickers have surprisingly just kept rising. A few days ago, I made a video talking about when will this Rio bubble pop, and well, since then, a lot of these stickers have just kept rising in price. Which, let's take a look at them and begin with the NQZ glitter. This is one of the more popular designs from Rio, and you'll see, even though this is purple rarity and a glitter, there's only 26 listed on the market, an extremely low amount, and it's sitting at $1.44. This is where at the end of December it was selling at 40 cents, sometimes maybe upwards to 50 cents, to where it started to rise around January 7th, January 8th, began to hit $1. Nearly all Rio stickers started to fall down in price, but then once again have began to just keep steadily rising in price to where now they're selling at over $1.50, nearly $1.60. Really just getting completely bought up from the market. So if Rio would leave the game today, it would be a very interesting situation. A lot of people are staying away from these Rio stickers because they just don't like the design, and this is sort of turning out to be one of their greatest positives. So with a lot of investors focusing on other items, their supply is so low that most stickers have already doubled or even tripled in price. I mean, for instance, you take a look at the NQZ Holo. This has literally 10 listings at $21 USD. Remember, this is Rio, and this released back on October 20th. And has been on sale in the game for well over a month. This is where you will see at the end of December it was getting sold for nearly $9 on the market, to where it did just start to rise around January 10th, hit over $12 and has just been going up essentially every single day, to where now it is listed at over $21 on the market. Following up with NQZ, even their gold went up in price for Rio. This one has 9 listings sitting at $70.57. The end of December, you would have been able to grab this sticker for around $33 on the market, $34 at sometimes, until it began to just slowly get bought up every single day, sort of stagnated in price. But then more recently has began to spike up. You'll see it has got sold for $89 on the market and also $75. Well over doubling in price and even almost tripling in price if it keeps increasing throughout the next few days. For a few other stickers which have extremely low supply, let's talk about the Vinny Gold from Rio. This has only 5 listings for $55.45. I mean, you can literally see all 5 of the listings right here on the market. A month ago, this sticker was selling for $15 and has just been going up in price every single day, hitting new highs, hitting over $40 and also getting sold at over $50. To where now there's obviously only 5 left on the market for this sticker. Absolutely insane when you really think about it. I mean, nobody likes Rio, but it's causing there really to be no stickers on the market. For a glitter sticker, let's talk about the 00 Nation glitter, which has 226 listings at $2.16. This is another sticker you'll see just surprisingly just keeps going up in price. I mean, you'll see last month this sticker was selling for around 90 cents on the market, to where on January 4th it began to spike up. January 7th it hit over $1.60. Then you'll see around 7 to 8 days later it eventually sort of crashed down and has just been rising back up ever since, to where now it is getting sold over $2 on the market. Following along with 00 Nation, we have their Holo from Rio. This one currently has 40 listings sitting at $9.06. You'll see though this sticker has over doubled in price and has just continually kept rising, as it was getting sold for around $4.75 and has just been going up since. It hit over $7, $8, $9, to where now it's very close to surpassing over $10 USD. Really just making some unforeseen gains for these stickers. I mean, for instance, we have the 00 Nation Gold. This has a whopping 14, sitting at $31.10, which a month ago was getting sold for $12.14 and has just been getting continually bought up in price, to where it eventually passed over $20, kept going, and more recently just spiked up in price and started getting sold over $30 USD and even got a sale at $37.95 this morning. For another sticker which well over tripled in price, we're gonna have the Max Holo. This has 23 listings at $3.60. A month ago, this sticker was available for roughly around $1 USD until it began to just get bought up, hit over $2 and just has kept going ever since, even has gotten sold over $4 USD, where now it's sort of just sitting around that price point. Another sticker which well over tripled in price, but for another popular sticker, let's talk about the Mouse Glitter. What you could arguably say is one of the most popular teams from Stockholm. With that hype, it has sort of bled into its Rio stickers as well. As you will notice, there's 380 listings, with this sticker sitting at over $1.10. Another sticker which a month ago was available for around 50 cents on the market has just been spiking up in price, even went through a little bit of a hype where it hit over $1.43. Sort of came down, but more recently has actually just been rising ever since. It's well over doubled in price since last month, and just continually grows in price every day. Talking about growing in price, we have the Rain Hollow. This has 39 listings at over $1.12, but you'll see it's another sticker which has just been growing, as it was previously selling at around 55 cents and has just been going through different sort of spikes on the market every single day, eventually hit over $1 to where now it's obviously getting sold at over $1.10, nearly $1.20. There's also the Nodus Vincier Hollow. This has 128 listings at $1.49. And although this sticker didn't go ahead and double or triple in price like some of the other ones we've talked about, it has been going through some pretty steady increases day by day. It was selling just shy of $1 on the market to where it began to rise around January 7th, hit over $1.30, to where more recently it's obviously been getting sales at over $1.50 on the market, just making some pretty nice consistent gains for this sticker. Saying this though, you're probably well aware of the heroic news of them changing their logo, which has caused a lot of their sticker prices to sort of jump up in price with a FOMO hype. This has 100 listings at $1.67. And though this is where, with Rio having such a low supply, the hype did eventually get supplied through, but that supply got bought up real fast and did eventually go back to where it was at before. I mean, a month ago this sticker was selling for around 70 cents on the market, eventually hit over $1.10, sort of got supplied through until it has just been rising day by day, and then when the news hit of the new logo, the Rio Heroic Hollow eventually spiked all the way upwards to over $1.92, fell back down to over $1.48, essentially what it was selling at before the announcement, and then now has just been rising back to that price point. This is also very noticeable with the Heroic Gold from Rio. This has 54 listings sitting at over $5, and you'll see a month ago it was selling at around $2.50, eventually rose to around $4 until the news obviously hit about the new logo, and then it did spike at over $5, eventually hit over $6, but you'll see when it hit $6 is actually after it did fall down in price again. A lot of its supply did get wiped off the market, and seeing as there's already not that much existing supply, it was sort of really hard for it to fulfill the hype, which has just caused it to continue growing in price. So we're currently sitting at a very interesting situation where we just have a bunch of major stickers where people just don't like the design of them, where the supply is so low that they just continually go up in price. The only thing I could sort of see stop this is obviously if we get a huge update, like a new case or new operation, once we finally get the pair of stickers, which will at least be a few months down the line, or if Vel just decides to leave Rio in the store for another 1, 2, 3 months. But we may actually potentially see Rio leave the store sometime soon. When we find out more news about CSGO, I will keep you up to date, so hope you are staying hydrated. Until next time, it's in water, and I'm out. Peace.